Now stay over on that side.
Go over here. Go over here. So you can make a wide turn.
Okay, see if you can make the turn.
Turn.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, good job.
Good stop.
Great.
Good job, Debbie.
Good job. Okay, just turn and go some more.
You want Mommy to
Help.
Okay.
Hi, Mommy? Mommy will give you a little push.
This way.
Make
Okay,
it-
you got
Watch
it?
out for your feet.
Look at that. Good job, Dal.
Turning tight now.
Yeah. She's got to...
Can I just stop from the...
Okay, see if you can make one last turn here. Oh,
careful.
stop.
Stop.
Good job.
Good job.
Good break.
Perfect.
I should have just went over there, but I need more practice.